In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use your Revi credit virtual card. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. After you acquire your Revi credit card and you open your account, you might be eligible to get a virtual card. Getting a virtual card is extremely simple, and this virtual card is more secure because you can always close it, open new ones, you can manage it within the app, and anywhere that you will be able to use a standard credit or debit card. You will also be able to use this virtual card. So all that you have to do is first log into the CIMB Bank app and tap the option displayed at the home screen. So if you are eligible for a virtual card, you will find this option, activate your virtual card. Immediately upon tapping this, you will be able to confirm your request by tapping Get My Virtual Card at the bottom of the screen. Tap that option and you will be able to agree to the terms and conditions. If you agree to all of the terms and the conditions listed, the next step is going to be getting the card details. So to use your virtual card, all that you have to do is copy all of the details. So tap the option to show card details at any time and you will be able to see the full card number, so the 16-digit number, the expiry date, and then the security code, plus the name printed on the card, which should be the same one as your standard card. Once you have all of these details, just go over to any website where you can pay using a standard credit or debit card. It's as simple as inputting all of these details during checkout. By inputting the full card number, expiry date, and security code, as long as the virtual card is activated, you will be able to finish placing your order and pay using this virtual card. You will be able to manage all of the activity and the expenses through the mobile app, and this is all you have to do. You can freeze the card at any time, you can get a new virtual card if this one is compromised, and everything can be done through the latest version of the mobile app. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Revi Credit Virtual Card. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.